If you use Opera and want access to your favorite Chrome extensions, this video will show you exactly how to install them in just a few simple steps. Whether you want productivity tools, shopping assistance, or tab management extensions like Tab Resize, Opera makes it easy to add them from the Chrome Web Store. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple browser tips. Let's get into it. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is open, the next step is to go directly to the official Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into the address bar and selecting the official result. It is important to use the official store so you know you're getting the real extension from a trusted source. When the Chrome Web Store loads, look for the search bar in the top left corner of the page. This is where you can search for the extension you want to install. For example, if you want a tab organization tool, type Tab Resize into the search bar and press Enter. The store will show you the matching extension results. Now click on the extension you want from the search results. This will open the extension's details page, where you can read a short description, check screenshots, and confirm that it's the right one before installing it. Take a moment to make sure the extension matches what you need. On the extension page, look for the blue Add to Opera button. In Google Chrome, this same button usually says Add to Chrome, but in Opera it will be adapted for your browser. Click Add to Opera to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear at the top of your window. This is Opera asking for permission to add the extension to your browser. To finish the setup, click Add Extension. Once you do that, Opera will install the extension and make it available in your toolbar or extensions menu. After the extension is installed, you may want to pin it to your toolbar so it's easy to access whenever you need it. From there, you can start using the extension right away. That's all there is to it. You've successfully installed a Chrome extension in Opera. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy browser tutorials, app guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.